Change the way you clean with STAINMASTER Sweep Mop. Featuring a lightweight and durable pole that flexes and bends to clean hard-to-reach areas and underneath furniture. Putting it together is easy. Just attach the mop head to the pole. Twist the pole to lengthen, then twist again to lock it in place. Sweep and mop can be used for both sweeping and wet mopping. To start sweeping, attach the microfiber cleaning pad to the mop head. For cleaning hard-to-reach areas, press the latch with your thumb only where the arrow indicates and extend the flexible pole. For tougher cleanups, press the latch again to retract the flexible pole and wet mop with STAINMASTER Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. Or use STAINMASTER Wet Mopping Cloths. Wet or dry, you're going to win this fight. Don't stop at clean, clean and protect with STAINMASTER Sweep Mop for a thorough and easy clean every time.